In the textbook that I base this course on, Personal Finance, Turning Money into Wealth by Arthur J. Keown, he talks about how risk and return go hand in hand. Well, that has some validity to it. I would argue that is not necessarily true. I think a more accurate statement would be that risk and ignorance go hand in hand. As one of the best investors, Warren Buffett, says, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. I'm not saying there is completely no risk when you know what you're doing. Every action you take involves a certain level of risk no matter what you're doing, regardless whether it's investing or not. There's always going to be some variable you can't account for. What I'm saying is that the more you know, the less risk you incur when you take action. I don't have time in this course, but in some of my future courses, I will show you how to severely decrease risk by doing research and picking financially healthy companies. I'm going to also show you how to reduce risk through diversification. You're going to learn what steps you need to take to eliminate risk without affecting potential return. There's no question that you must accept some risks to meet your long-term financial goals. So you must balance the amount of risk you're willing to take on the amount of return you need. In the next few lessons, we're going to examine the different sources of risk in investment, starting with interest rate risk. This lesson was pulled from Personal Finance, Turning Money into Wealth by Arthur J. Keown, a textbook that was part of one of many finance courses I took in college. I found that this lesson is one of the most important concepts to understand before you start investing. If you found this episode helpful, please give it the thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you feel inclined, please like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and if you really want to, subscribe to Gennecho's weekly newsletter. We will give you all sorts of advice, tips, and strategies to all things finance and investing. Just click the link below and enter your name and email in the form provided. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.